Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change icon style on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now tap on Themes. Click at the loop at the top right corner and type whatever you want. Now select icons and pick the ones that you like the best. I will go with that one. After that, click download. Style of your icons will change after you log in. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!